welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of a maintenance day. We are going to harvest a few things. We're going to take out some orange cauliflower and a white cauliflower, but like I said, it's mostly maintenance day. This is our Brussels sprouts box. We're going to peel back the insect cover and trim some leaves. We also pulled some flowers that we had on the edges for space. You can actually see those over in a pile. So we're going to get started on uncovering this and kind of clean up our Brussels sprouts, and also take a look, make sure that there's no insect damage. There's a few like bite marks, but overall, with our history of doing Brussels sprouts, we haven't had a ton of success. So this is by far the furthest we've gotten with Brussels sprouts. So we're just going to uncover it, take a look, and see that everything has enough spacing and that there's no insect damage. Well, we just got done cleaning out the Brussels sprout box. Cooper has all of the trimmings and everything in the back of the tractor. And now we're going to go over and dump it into our compost pile. Just got done with the Brussels sprouts and cleaning that up. We uncovered it, covered it back up, took everything to compost, so now we're over in the cauliflower box. We have a few orange heads that are ready to come out. We have one white head that we're going to yank out, and we're also going to take a look at if there's any insect damage. We can see a few bites on leaves, so we're going to uncover the insect net, take a look at everything, and harvest some cauliflower. We also saw a Japanese beetle in this box last night. We did get rid of it, but we do want to take a look at this, and that definitely motivated us to see where did that come from and are there any more in here. Harvest time for the orange cauliflower. We're going to take this head out, and we're going to take this head out. This one's probably about an inch bigger than that one, but we have some Japanese beetles and some caterpillars and some spiders coming in here and causing damage. One head over there, which we'll see in a minute, is rotten, and then we have a yellow head over there that's rotten. So we want to go ahead and get these out while we can keep them, because we do not use any kind of sprays or anything like that. It's completely just natural. So what you do is just come under here, just give it a good cut. so, and then you just peel back. And then there's your nice head of orange cauliflower. So we'll set this aside. All these leaves we will put in our pile and they will go to compost. Let's go ahead and get this other one out. This one doesn't have as big of a root.
Why do we leave the roots in?
We leave them in because they will decompose and compost down into the dirt. So we'll just plant, we'll add compost to this, and then we'll just plant like in the middle of this. And by the time next season rolls around, this will be completely broken down, so we'll be able to plant in this spot. And just go back and forth and leave it in there. So this one is done. So we have two nice heads of orange cauliflower. Alright, let's go around here. This is the first one that we're going to take out. You can see in this head, it looks nice. Those black specks are just dirt. But if you'll notice right in here, that right there is rotten. So we're going to take this out.
How'd you know to look for that?
Just, you can honestly smell it. You can smell the smell of not fresh cauliflower. And then the discoloration of it. You see this has, you can also see down here, you see that, the discoloration of the leaves, the stem.
And also where all the bugs have been eating on.
Yeah.
So it makes you look closer at the plant to figure out what's going on with it.
So you can see the bites, holes in the leaves, really in that one. You know, so then that makes you, okay, we need to check out what's going on. And unfortunately, we are probably about a day late on this head of cauliflower. Because right through here, that is rotten in there.
Okay, yeah.
So that we'll throw right in the compost. Then we have a white one over here that has the same thing. Bite marks, discoloration of leaves. There's a yellow one back here on it. And then obviously you can tell, there it is, it's rotten. So we're not gonna leave that in there for food for the bad insects. So we'll just cut that one out and throw that directly into compost.
Right.
So we have two good heads, two rotten heads. We've already harvested 2 heads out of here. So far with our garden, we usually fail at brassicas, and we've gotten 4 heads of cauliflower. So I say we're winning right now. We have the first low bed all prepped and ready to go, which you just saw get done. This was actually our potato bed. We had the Norland Reds on this side, we had the Russets on the left side, and then we had a string of peas down the middle. And then if you do remember, we had leftover little tiny onions that we got from Dixondale, and we kind of made a U around each potato plant just to help deter the smell of onions, deter a lot of things, a lot of bugs and animals. And we honestly didn't think we were going to get anything out of them, but we actually got really nice bulbed onions out of them. So now we have this prepped, and the next set of things that are going to go in it is we're going to do Blue Lake pole beans all the way down this side, and then the next row is going to be a white kohlrabi. The third row is going to be an evergreen bunching onion, and then the last row is a little finger carrot, which those are about a 3-inch, 3.5 to 4-inch carrot, a little bit fatter of a carrot, but that side was a little, I would say the ground was a little more dry than over here. So we're doing a shorter fat carrot because it won't need to root down into the ground very deep. And this is a 12-inch box. So I have everything prepped. I'm also going to add another drip line for the little finger carrots because as a potato and pea box, we only needed 3 drip lines. So I will get all of these seeds planted, beans, kohlrabi, bunching onions, and carrots, and then add a 4th drip line.